Thank you so much for checking in. Mr. Mitsubishi here. In today's video, I want to show you a little secret. Not everybody knows, but Mitsubishi has this feature. It's called headlamp washers. So we have headlamps here and we have these washers right here. What they do is they pop out and then they spray the water onto the headlamp to make sure your headlamps are nice and clean. Now, there's few things you need to know on how they operate. Your headlights always have to be on, not on auto, on. And you have to pull the headlight washer for about 3 seconds and wait, and then it activates. So if you do the windshield wipers, they're gonna, spray a little bit, wash a little bit. It's not gonna get activated. Only if you press and pull and wait for 3 seconds, then they'll activate. Right now, let's go and see how it actually works. So we need to make sure our headlights are on, not on auto, but on. And then also, this is where the windshield washer is activated, and when we press it and pull it a little bit for like a split second or 1 second, then we'll have the windshield washers going on with the fluid and whatnot. But if we press and hold for about 3 seconds, that is what activates the headlight washers. Really nice trick, and good to know that you have that feature. So thank you so much for checking out this hidden feature. By the way, same feature is available both on gas Outlanders and PHEV, so no matter which one you choose, you will have the headlight washers. So thanks again for checking out, and see you next time around. Both Outlanders and
guys, it's a special car, but this one's even more special. I'm Mr. Junior Mitsubishi. This is Mr.